Prepare to be enchanted by the stunning beauty of this 24 feet MitchCraft Tiny Home, custom built with love for its client. KerriJo, located in the picturesque Fort Collins, Colorado, this abode is a masterpiece of modern architecture and functional design, crafted with exceptional care and attention to detail. This tiny home boasts an impressive structural insulated panel construction that promises exceptional insulation and energy efficiency. The SIPs provide superior thermal resistance, making this dwelling cozy and warm even in the coldest months of the year. This tiny home is also equipped with 2 heat sources, ensuring that KerriJo can enjoy the perfect temperature all year round. In the main living area is a slide-out bed which is under bedroom that can be used as a couch. The top opens to reveal 2 large storage spaces. The living area also has a fold-down table, a chest on rollers, and storage stairs that slide out from under the second platform. A small TV also appears above the washing machine. The kitchen is equipped with a top-of-the-line 3-burner gas range, complete with a venting hood that ensures you can cook your favorite meals to perfection without any unpleasant odors or smoke. The innovative design of this tiny home doesn't stop there. The refrigerator freezer is set up on a drawer, allowing you to easily access all of your favorite foods without the need to bend down or reach up high. This not only saves space but also makes it easier to keep your food organized and fresh. Every detail has been carefully considered in the design of this tiny kitchen, from the easy-to-clean backsplash to the ample storage space. Whether you're a seasoned chef or simply enjoy whipping up your favorite meals, this kitchen is sure to impress with its practicality and sophistication. Moving across from the kitchen, you'll find the bathroom. Bathroom is designed with both style and sustainability in mind, featuring a spacious shower with sleek fixtures and a modern sink. This bathroom is the perfect place to unwind and refresh, and with a composting toilet, you can feel good knowing that you're doing your part to help the environment. On the second platform in the living area is the master bedroom with built-in bed frame. The bed has 4 drawers and the top lifts up to access the rear storage area. There is also a shelf, clothes rod, and partial privacy wall. Thanks for watching this tour of stunning T&Y house on W Heels. Homes for Bright Living was with you. See you soon.